It's giving. It's giving $1.25. I'm feeling it, Ayani. I am. What's up, fam? Welcome back and welcome to the channel. My name is Vanessa and this channel is... And in today's video, as y'all can see by the title, y'all, we are about to be trying these Ioni Wispy Medium Length Lashes. I have 4 boxes, okay? So I don't know if I'm gonna have to use all 4. I don't think so, because we're not gonna make them super thick. But I want to see if they work, if they're good. We're gonna try them out today, y'all. These are the faux mink individual lashes. They have the 3D curls. They're 100% handmade. I love the box. You know, it has the butterflies and stuff on them. The lashes look really good. So these were only $1.25. So we're gonna see if we picked out something good, y'all. So anyways, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the notification bell to notify each and every time your girl posts a video, because why would you want to miss a video with me? You would not want to miss a video with me. But anyways, y'all, I just went ahead, I just washed my face really good. You want to start off on a clean canvas. Let me see here, y'all. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna put the glue on that. Let's see. It doesn't have a smell. This is how we're looking. They're looking super cute. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, these look just like the other brands, like the Kiss and all of that. So we have some eyelash glue, dark color. I got this from the beauty supply like a while ago. So I'm just using that because I didn't grab any glue from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just using the glue that I have. I hope these lashes, you know, turn out really cute. I hope they do. It says it's naturally flirty and sexy. Let's see if it's gonna give that once I put them on. Let's see what it's gonna give. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, when I'm pulling them off the thing, I'm losing a little bit of the lashes. So I don't know, it's kind of shedding a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see me. I have this. Let's see. Stick it on the middle. Okay. Okay, that was easy.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that I'm...
Alright, y'all, so I put 4 individuals over here on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for this side. I like to kind of just do the same amount on each side so I won't forget, so they can kind of look, you know, even. But y'all, they are turning out cute so far. So y'all, let's keep going.
Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
All right, y'all, so we have 4 individuals on both sides. I have my Dollar Tree fan, y'all. I got this for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, so you can get the lashes and also the fan. So we're gonna, you know, kind of dry that up a little bit so that we can move on. And to be honest, y'all, I don't like the fact that the lashes shed. I don't know, like, why, but this is my first time having lashes that shed. Like, it's literally pieces of lashes right here on the box. So these lashes definitely shed. All right, let's continue. So that's one thing I don't like about it, because I'm scared that the eyelash hair gonna come into my eyes.
What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl that ride the whip. I know you die for nothing.
All right, y'all, so one box is complete. I feel like I need more. If you want, you can just, you know, use one box and, you know, it can look just like this. It looks pretty cute. It's giving. It's giving $1.25. Anyways, y'all, let's open up the next box. Let's open up. Let's open up our second box of lashes. I think I'm only going to do 2 boxes or whatever, because honestly, y'all, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's definitely giving what they say on the back of the box, naturally flirty and sexy. That's how I'm feeling right now. That's how I'm feeling. And I don't even got no makeup on or nothing. Eyebrows not even done. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, Ayani. I am. I'm loving it. All right, y'all, let me stop playing. Let's go ahead and throw on this other box. To be honest, y'all, I don't even think I'm gonna use the whole, this whole other box. So yeah, I'm just kind of filling in where I feel where it needs to be a little bit more. Y'all, my eyes started watering, my nose started running. I had some hair inside of my eye. So yeah, y'all. So I wind up adding just half of the second box. I don't want to do too much. I feel like this is like just enough. It's like perfect. So I have 2.5 boxes left, and I used, you know, 1 whole box, and it gave me this beautiful look. I really I love the lashes. I really do. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it sheds, so you have to be careful as far as putting them on and like some hair dropping in your eye. But once they're on, you know, as long as you're not picking at it, it's not gonna shed. It should be fine. That's what I'm hoping. But I'm just gonna dry them up, and then I'm gonna add some mascara to them, and then I'll give y'all the finished product. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna add this mascara to my lashes. This mascara is also from the Dollar Tree. I forgot what brand it was. Like I said, y'all, most of my like products come from the Dollar Tree because the Dollar Tree products are just that good to me. Right, I think it's looking really cute and good. I think so. I don't feel like putting on makeup, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put on my blemish control. We're gonna do that first. And I'm gonna go in with my glowing vitamin C cream. Y'all, this is from the Dollar Tree as well. All of the products that I used in this video is from the Dollar Tree.
To the park right here. Oh, yeah, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man.
Right, y'all. How y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? Do y'all like the lashes? I think they're really cute. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. So I rate these lashes. I rate these lashes an 8 out of 10. I feel like the only thing that I really don't like about it is that it sheds. But other than that, I think they're really cute. Compared to any other brand that I've used, I think that they're just the same. The only thing is the shedding. The other lashes that I had that were, you know, costing a little bit more than $1.25, you know, they didn't shed. But you know, if you just want to get something cute, go out, you know, these are the way to go. I absolutely love them. So yeah, y'all, I rate them an 8 out of 10. But anyways, y'all, let me know if you would try these Ione eyelashes. If it's anything else y'all want me to try from the Dollar Tree, just let me know. Anyways, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all so very much for all of y'all support. And I will see y'all next video. Love and light.